Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Michigan Condo Voices. Election season often brings new ideas, fresh perspectives, and hopes for positive change within a community. And that can be a very good thing. But today, I want to discuss something that every new HOA and condo board member eventually discovers. The day you join the board, you inherit much more than a seat at a table. You inherit the community as it exists today. That includes the successes, challenges, priorities, and decisions that have accumulated over time. Many co-owners understandably hope that a new board can solve long-standing concerns quickly, but community governance rarely works that way. New board members often inherit existing budgets, reserve obligations, vendor contracts, insurance programs, maintenance projects, governing documents, and ongoing responsibilities that may have been developing for many years. Before meaningful changes can occur, board members often need time to learn how these systems work together. That doesn't mean progress can't happen. It simply means that responsible decision making usually begins with understanding. One of the most important things a new board member can do is listen. Listen to co-owners. Listen to management professionals. Listen to service providers. And perhaps most importantly, take time to understand the history behind current conditions. Many community issues have layers of context that are not always visible from the outside. Another important reality is that communities are interconnected systems. Budgets affect maintenance. Maintenance affects reserves. Reserves affect long-term planning. Insurance costs, infrastructure needs, and operational decisions often influence one another. Because of this, quick solutions are not always sustainable solutions. The strongest board members are not necessarily those who arrive with all the answers. Often, they are the individuals who ask thoughtful questions, learn continuously, communicate clearly, and make decisions with both current and future co-owners in mind. Real progress often happens through consistent improvements over time. That may not always be exciting, but it is often how strong communities are built. Serving on a board is not about fixing everything immediately. It is about helping guide a community responsibly while building on what works and improving what doesn't. And for new board members, understanding what they inherit on day one is often the first step toward effective leadership. You're always welcomed here. This is Michigan Condo Voices. Take care, everyone. Thanks for joining me.